It is sensing every breath you take. Today we'll be comparing the Inspire Sleep Apnea Implant version 4 with the new Series 5. What's changed? Not much. Now, when it comes to therapeutic outcomes, they're going to be the same, all right? What we're talking about with this new Series 5 model is efficiency. Normally there's 3 components to the Inspire implant. Now there's only 2. Which component have they removed? The sensing lead. Okay, so previously what you had with the 4 model is this. You had the neurostimulator. All right, that's the pulse generator that generates the pulse to the nerve in your neck. But you also had to implant this little sensing lead, which sort of comes down here near your ribs, to sense when you're breathing. Yeah, that's the thing about Inspire, and a lot of patients don't understand this. You see, Inspire doesn't wait for you to have a sleep apnea event before it activates, triggers the nerve to push your tongue forward and open up your airway. It is sensing every breath you take, like a metronome. And every time you go to breathe in, it zaps your tongue, push it out of the way so that oxygen can come into your lungs. That's how it works. It's every single breath. And that little sensing lead is what's responsible for the timing. Now, the sensing lead has also caused some patients and surgeons some headaches because it can move, the tip can come off. There's been a few problems with the sensing lead in the past. And with this new Series 5 implant, they've removed the sensing lead, and the neurostimulator, the battery section, can now sense your breathing to do the timing. Okay, now what this means is maybe fewer complications with the sensing lead, because there is none, obviously. Shorter surgery time. I think in the past it was sort of around that 90 minutes. Maybe now it's only 60 minutes. So that's a positive for the surgeons. Probably means they can do more surgeries per day. But for the patients, not a whole lot. Just maybe fewer complications for some. And I think it was only a small amount of complications anyway. Let's take a look at a short surgical video here where they're installing the sensing lead.